In the last lesson, I mirrored this feature very easily because I got the right plane, this right plane on the center of the body. That's why it was very easy to make that mirror. But if you see this right, top, front, every plane, if you see is in the side, then in that case you have to make one plane to make this mirror. How do you do that thing? You can do that thing by using the reference geometry. You can get the reference geometry under this feature tab from this drop down menu, or you can go to insert reference geometry plane. I will make the plane, that's why there are lots of other reference geometry you can create or you can mention, but I will create only plane because I need just only plane. So if I need the center plane, what I will do, I have to mention few reference here. For the first reference, I will select this face. When I select this face, at the time you can see this is distance. The distance between this plane and this surface is 100 millimeter now. If I want, I can flip this thing. If I want, I can make multi-plane at a time, but I do not need multi-plane right now. I need just only one plane. And you can use this distance, but you need to know this length. But you can do another shortcut. You do not need to know this length. Another shortcut is, if I use this face as a parallel, if I select this will be a parallel, then it's yellow, that means when it will be green, that means at that stage this plane is fixed, but still it's blue, that means still it's not fixed. So I have to mention few more reference here. For the second reference, I will mention when I hover over this edge, I will get midpoint of the edge. When I select this point, I can see this is blue now. Now that means this plane is perfectly fixed now, and this plane is exactly in the center of the body, which is my desired plane. By this way you can make the plane. And there is another shortcut. When I activate this plane again, at the time if I select this surface, and just this surface will be the first reference, and for the second reference if I select this surface, you can see one plane has been created. This plane will be in the center between these two surfaces. So this is more quickest way to make this center plane. And you can see this shows mesh is fully defined, that means this plane is fully defined, that's why it's blue. When I say this is blue, that means I got my plane. Now I will press OK. Now I will mirror the feature. To mirror the feature, I have to activate the mirror feature, and I have to define the plane which will be work as a reference. Then I have to define the feature. When I put the feature, I can get the exactly same result as last time.